Want to start using the Dupe.com app to find designer styles for less, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Dupe app. Note that this app is currently only available for iPhone, but we hope to see it on Android devices soon. Now let's get started. To download the Dupe app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Dupe.com in the search bar. Tap Dupe.com AI Deal Finder when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Dupe app. That's all it takes to download the Dupe.com app. Want to try out another online shopping app? Check out our full playlist of online shopping tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.